everybody? So today we're going to be doing a motor swap on our off-road rally go-kart. Currently we have a Predator 301cc 8 horse, and we're going to be swapping it out with a 13 horse 389cc motor, I believe from Lifen. It is a Greyhound. Currently we're looking at my buddy's go-kart. My initial thought was to remove his motor and do an easy swap over, but we like to do things difficult on our channel. Luckily, he had two of these motors, identical. The second one doesn't run, and it knocks. So seriously, like someone chewed on it. Okay, got the side plate off. The rubber mallet and some prying, but here's a problem. The bearing still in there. Pour into one of these guys. Oh, look at that wire. I guess that goes to the low oil sensor. Looks like it's fried. So I'm guessing why. This could have been why it was knocking. But if you guys look, there's this wire right here. That's supposed to go to the oil sensor. Well, he said it was knocking, so they quit using it. I'm guessing that could have been the problem. So looks like some discoloration on the crank. I don't know. There's a lot going on here. Got the cam. We got this little guy here. Is this like a, I don't know what that is. I'm not taking any of this out. I just wanted to make sure everything was good. It's dirty inside. I have to clean it out. But yeah, here we go. No, I don't want to tear it up. I feel like that's going to tear it up. I mean, I can get this back on there and then hammer it on, but maybe these bearings stay on here. I don't know. I don't know. Dirty. So I might have to just carry this outside and spray it. Look, got one broken dipstick. Oops, tightening. Let's go ahead and remove these. That was easy. Oil sensors out. This little guy. These wires got ripped out. It's cool. Never removed one of these. Keep those bolts out of here. And then this wire. Uh-oh.
yourself. It's extremely dangerous.